What's growing on, gardeners? It's December 1st here on the southeastern coast of North Carolina, and we just had two back-to-back hard freezes of 28 and 27 degrees Fahrenheit, respectively. I have a bunch of fall tomatoes that are still trying to ripen in my garden, and I tried a very easy and cheap cold protection method to see if I could get the plants through and ripen a few more tomatoes. And on today's 2-minute garden tip, we're going to see how that method performed. The first thing I did was I covered all of my tomato plants with a 1-ounce frost cloth. However, keep in mind that plants don't generate body heat. If you don't put a warming source underneath the frost cloth, they will simply freeze through. So I ran 2 strands of incandescent C9 Christmas lights underneath them, each of them 175 watts for a total of 350 watts of warmth. So what I did was I ran the strand lights, I put the frost cloth over them, and then I plugged in the lights at night in hopes that it would keep everything warm. And now that it's finally warmed up for the next couple of days, I'm going to remove all of the frost cloth and I'm going to see if my plants survived. Keep in mind, prior to these 2 hard freezes, there was no cold damage on any of these plants. The first thing you will obviously notice is that there is extensive damage to the outer foliage where it contacted the frost cloth themselves. However, you will also notice that the core of the plants are just fine where the incandescent light bulbs were and the foliage was not making contact with the frost cloth. This is all I was trying to accomplish here because this is the end of the growing season. I'm only trying to extend the life of these plants a few more weeks in order to maximize my harvest. So for season extension, this worked out very well because while the plants certainly do look ugly on the outside, they are alive and really pretty healthy on the inside. So the outer foliage burn doesn't really matter to me because the core of the plants and the stems are healthy. So for extending the life of a fall garden for a few more weeks and maximizing that harvest, I think this was a very successful endeavor, and this was worth the 30 to 60 minutes that I put into the endeavor. This is obviously not something you'd want to do for your spring garden where you don't want any frost damage at all on your plants. I don't have any more hard freezes in my forecast for the next 2 weeks, so that means I will be able to continually harvest tomatoes out of my garden until at the very least the second half of December. So this was definitely worth my time. That being said, if you need more extensive cold protection methods where damage is not an option, I will link to a playlist down in the video description. And that's today's 2-minute garden tip. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to receive new video notifications, and check out our Amazon storefront and spread shop in the video description for a list of the gardening products I use and awesome custom designed apparel and other gear. Your support is greatly appreciated.